Hare Krishna, can you hear me? Please tell. The sound is okay?
इसी प्रकार जो है अपने प्रेम प्राप्ति करने के उपाय बताया है। इस संदर्भ में भ्रमण करते करते
Hare Krishna, sound is okay? Check my one. Hare Krishna, check 1 1.
साधु संग करते हैं और साधु संग से श्रवण कीर्तन आदि और अनंत साधन भक्त में सर्व अनंत दूर होता है।
Hare, check. Tell me the sound. Check. Sound is okay. Hari bol. Sound. Check 1.
और निष्ठा से श्रवणार्थ में रुचि होना है।
Hare, yes, okay.
और रुचि उत्पन्न होने पर अपने आसक्ति हो जाता है और आसक्ति की जन्म में कृष्ण दृष्टांत हो। इस प्रकार आसक्ति के बाद
So after Asakti, from Shraddha to Asakti and then there is sprouts manifested in the heart of a sadhak, which is called Rati. When Rati is consigned form, so that is called Bhav, and then Bhav condensed so much, that is called Rati, that is called Prema. Ado Shraddha to Sadhu Sangha. So in this way, this is the kram, or this is the process of bhakti. So the prem is all called is called the Prayojan Tattva. Kapil Dev to her mother Devhuti told this katha that by the fact of satsang, how sadhan bhakti and bhag bhakti and then prema bhakti manifested in the heart of sadhak. Whose heart, so somebody's heart says bhav is manifested, so there are the symptoms, shown in the scenes of sadhak, like we have discussed about in the morning, all these things. So I told you three internal symptoms and three kinds of desires. Bhagavad Prapti, Anukula Mayona, also Aharda Vilasha. Three kinds of Vilasha was there. So these kinds of three symptoms appeared in the heart. This is the internal symptoms of a bhav or rati. And the external symptoms are, there are 9 kinds of external symptoms. Shanti, Avartakalin. So the sprouts of bhav and the rati manifest in the heart sadhak. So when the sprouts of the bhav manifest in the heart of sadhak, so there are 9 kinds of symptoms we see in the sadhak. What is Shanti? I described in the morning. What is Shanti? And then Virakti, Manashunyata, Ashabandhu, Samatkantha, Namagani, Sadaruchi. So these 9 symptoms I told you. So here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying
কাটিতে কবিতার কৌশানী হয় কৃষ্ণ সম্বন্ধ বিনাকার ব্যর্থ নাহি যায় ভক্তি মুক্তি ইন্দ্রার্থে তারি নাহি হয় এই নাটকার লক্ষণ দেখने पर
So seeing this nine control system, so the fogginess comes in our heart. I told you in the one by one, step by step, that how the forgiveness comes in the heart of sadhak. So mind never disturbs from any kinds of causes. And without the relationship with Krishna, where there is no relationship with the Krishna, where there is no the katha is not related with Krishna, so they don't discuss and don't hear. As like our Sanatana Goswami Pad, when they perform bhajans, so they used to go to Vrajvasis, so they always used to speak the katha which is related to Krishna. They always ask about the cows. When they think ask about the cows, so always they speak about the katha, Krishna katha related to the Brajvasi, like that Shamli, Dhovli, Kali, Goli, Pili. There are many kinds of cows there in the Braj. So they used to start the katha of Bandivant at the Banshivat katha. When the Krishna called to cows and play the flutes and and pronounce the names of the cows, and then all the cows comes to Krishna at the some time. Sometimes he called the Shamli name cow, and that Shamli name's cow got man, and she's standing aside, and tears was falling from the eyes. What Krishna did that time, he played the flute and called the name of Shamli, and then Shamli named cow, so she uplifted her tails and come to the Govind, where Govind was sitting. All the cows comes and licking her bodies, so Krishna was surrounded by all the cows. Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying, Maharaj Parikshit, when Krishna was playing the flute, so hearing the sound of the flute of Krishna, all the deers, look at the condition of the deer. He and she both deers, so hearing the sounds of the Govind, they got so much stunned that time. Look, it was looking like the Sukdev Goswami Pad when hearing this katha to Parikshit Maharaj. So he was seeing by the transcendental eyes. At the time Krishna was not here on the earth. He was disappeared at that time when Sukdev Goswami told the Bhagavad Katha to Parikshit Maharaj. At that time the Krishna was disappeared. But when I was telling this katha, when the Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying this katha, since Sukdev Goswami Pad is seeing the transcendental katha by her eyes. Just suppose that one person is sitting about before us, so we said that he is sitting there. In the Sanskrit, eta means, when we use eta shabd, so it means that we are seeing something practically, someone practically. So that's why eta
देखा जब तो ये समझते हिरण की कथेगा
So this is called, look at the condition of the deer. He and she hirani, deer. First is she deer is going, and he deer is following her. So here Acharya Pada is saying, so the husband and wife, both of them do the good deeds together. If somebody is got married, so they have to do all the auspicious things together. Where the katha was describing of the Achyuta, the Keshav Bhagwan, so all the pure pious water, all the pious rivers came there, appeared there, because in the lotus feet of Bhagwan every tirtha is manifested. That's why Bhagwan's feet is called Tirthapada, whose lotus feet has all kinds of tirthas. There are all the tirthas manifested in the feet of Bhagwan. Wherever the Udar Charit Bhagwan Katha was going on, so there all the tirthas stays there. All the rivers, tirthas stays there, take the place. That's why it is saying that wife is going, the deer, she deer is going, and the he deer is following her. So why are you going alone? The he deer is saying, why are you going? We will go together. So that's why. So she deer is going and the he deer is following her. So they have both of the set on the feet of Govinda. So the Goswami Pad is saying, look, these all the animals yoni. So seeing the incredible form of Govinda, look at the form of Govinda. Arupa Goswami Pada is saying, describing here, when Krishna was going for cow grazing, when they enter into the Braj, at the time all the cows saying like hamba hamba rap rap. So then Krishna at that time he is taking care of all the cows, and for the taking care of the cows he chased behind he was chasing the cows that time. So the garland he is putting on his neck, it's folded into the three form, Trivanga. So the garland which is made by the gopis, that garlands, when Krishna take the Tribhanga forms, so all the garlands take the form like when Krishna was going for taking care of the cows, so all that then garlands become from the shoulder to Upavit. Oh yes, that garland take the form like a Janeyu, the Upavit, the sacred threads. It is not straight like that. Krishna, when Krishna was chasing the cow and taking care of the cows, so at the time the garland who has put in, which is put in the neck of Krishna, so that's take the form of sacred thread. But that same garlands take the forms when he was shaking and taking care of the cows, so that the same garland take the form of sacred thread. take the form sacred thread, Janeyu ki tarah. Just like it takes the form of sacred threads. Ah, Vichitra Vesham. This is very nice, incredible form of Krishna's that time. Braje Bibinam. Keshavam. Aru Goswami Pad is beautifully describing Eta Vichitra Vesham. So there are two kinds of deer. First is ordinary deer, and the second is Krishna Sar. It's like a Krishna complexion deer. That the deer lives under that forest where there is too much shadows. So because there is too much hot, they cannot bear that. If they get so much sunshine or heat, so the won't come on their vest or back. Chala, you know? What? It is mentioned in the scriptures. When Govind played the flute, aha, Krishna Sara, that all the deers come out from the forest. Because hearing the flute of Govind, who can stay? All the mind disturbs. Hearing that flute. That's why Krishna Saram. So the ultimate goal of life is Krishna. This is the ultimate goal of life. That we will be Krishna conscious. Internally, externally, we just see the Krishna everywhere. We always see the Bhagavan internally and externally. So in this way, this is called the Krishna Sara. The ultimate goal of life is Krishna Sara, the Krishna conscious. Krishna conscious, Govinda conscious. This is called when Krishna was playing the flute. Look at the condition of the deers. So how they came to the Govind. They are animals, yoni, still they cannot talk each other, but just was by the eyes they are transferring their bhav each other by the eyes. And Govinda, he is omnipresent, he knows everything, so they can understand the bhav of all the animals, and they are putting his hand on the back of the animals. When Lavkush in the Ramchandila, Lavkush when Lavkush met to Ramchandra at the Yagasthali, Ramchandra, he put his hand on the head of Lavkush, and Lavkush started crying, and Ramchandra asked, why are you crying? And Lavkush giving the beautiful answer. Raja is the form of Bhagwan. He is a reflection of Bhagwan. Raja is a reflection of Bhagwan. And if somebody got the touch of Bhagwan's hand, so his heart will be melted for sure. Lavkush, they are very clever. They given a very nice answer there. They are a disciple of Valmiki. They know all the arts to how to speak. So what's my mean to say? That Krishna, when they put the hand on the back of the deer and he deer and she deer, and getting the touch of the Krishna's hand, so the tears was falling. The tear was started falling from the eyes of these deers. So how affectionately, with love and affection, they were taking the darshan of Govinda. So who has this bhav? Only Radharani have this bhav. It is Veni Git.
और उसी कथा को जो मानो
So in this katha, Sukdev Goswami, the same katha Sukdev Goswami Pad is telling to, he realized this katha
और साक्षात उसमें उसके दर्शन करके
and seeing the darshan of that Leela, he is saying to Parikshit Maharaj,
कृष्ण समुद्र बिना व्यक्त बने कृष्ण समुद्र बिना काल व्यक्त नहीं जाए भक्ति मुक्ति भक्ति सिद्धि व्यर्थ करे नहीं भाई इस संसार के जितने प्रकार की
in this world there are many kinds of enjoyment,
भक्ति सिद्धि अथवा
bhakti siddhi,
इंद्रिय के जितने प्रकार की
or all kinds of sense enjoyments.
सर्वोत्तम अपना हीन करी माने जैसे मानस होता
There is a Manishunta, this is called Manishunita.
कृष्ण कृपा करी गए दिल करी जाने समुद्र का वाय सदा लालसा प्रधान नाम गानी सदा रुचि लाय कृष्ण नाम कई महाप्रभु करने लगे
So Mahaprabhu himself said,
मानस
in this way, the Manishunita, having all kinds of qualities, is still who thinks himself that I am unqualified, I don't have any kind of qualities. In this way, this is called the Manishunita. He has that only one desire, one hope, that Krishna will bestow his mercy upon us, when Krishna will bestow his mercy upon me. In the morning we have heard this, Ashabandhu, Raghunath Goswami, how he is praying, praying at the Radha Kund, and he is performing bhajan there, and performing at the bhajan at the Radha Kund, and how he is praying at the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Even Krishna came there and said, if you, hey Raghunath, so seeing your detachment and vairagya, I am very, very happy, my heart is melted. I would like to give to any benediction to you. Please accept my benediction. So Raghunath Goswami said, no, no, no. Hey Bakari Krishna, he who killed the Bakasur, that's why he said, oh, hey Bakari Krishna, if Radhaji won't mercy me, so I don't need your mercy. He returned back to Krishna. He didn't accept the mercy of Krishna. That's why Asha Bandhu, Samatkantha, how much eagerness we should have. So it was the Vritasurapakhyan was given here, where Braj Govi's Parkya Bhav was indicated here. How beautiful this was that. Always take the name of Bhagwan in the Kirtan. We must have the taste in the Kirtan of Bhagwan Govinda. Just like when you are hungry, many kinds of food stuff, delicious food stuff, so you will accept that very, very nicely. So in this way, when you get taste, so all the Naam Gun Leela of Bhagwan, you will like that. So we have already heard these all things in the morning.
मधुरं मधुरं पपुरस्सं विभोर मधुरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं मधुगन्धि मृदुस्मितं एतमदति मधुरं 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 कृष्ण का नाम
Krishna's name, Bilvamangal Thakur. So he is describing the form of Krishna. So Ballacharya described that in the Aduram Maduram 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 Akilam Maduram. Ballacharya described it in the Madura Ashtakam Maduram Ashtakam Madura Ashtak. In fact, it is the name of Krishna, Bilwanand Thakur. So how he described the Madhurta, the sweetness of Krishna, and the beautiful form of Krishna, he is describing there. Bilwanand Thakur.
कृष्ण विलास करे सर्वदा वशती सदाहं यमुनापि नमामिन्दव कीर्तयन् उद्वाप्त पुण्डरीकाक्षं रचयामि तण्डवम्
In the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad is quoting this shloka. How that day will come that at the bank of Yamuna, chanting the name of Yugal Kishore and Kishori, and chanting the name of Pundrikaksha, and raising my hand, when the tear will falling, the tears will come out from my eyes. So when I will chant this name like this, when I chant your name like this, they have so much affection towards Krishna's Leela's pastimes, Radha Kund, Sham Kund, Vrindavan, Seva Kunj, Nikunjivan, where Radha Govan, there was beautiful pastime was done. So and that place is, so after going these places, how I will falling on the ground. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told this kind of nine symptoms. Whose heart, Krishna Prem is manifested in whose heart, when it becomes, when Rati is condensed form, so that is Bhav, and Bhav is condensed, that Prem is manifested in the heart. So chanting the Bhagwan, nectareous name of Bhagwan, Bhagwan Nam Rup Guna Leela is transcendental. There is no difference between Nam and Nami, just like when you chant the holy name. Just like the Shyam Sundar, Madan Mohan, Vrindavan Chandra, so there are Ras Bihari. How beautiful names are there. That's why our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Jai Jai Radha Govinda, Jai Jai Shri Radha Govinda. Vrindavan Chandra, Bihari, Shri Gokula Nanda. How beautiful the name is. So these all are names. These all are the topmost Leelas is connected with the topmost Leelas of Krishna. Sometimes they are crying, sometimes they are rowing, sometimes they are crying, sometimes they are laughing, just like somebody got mad. Have you seen the mad? In fact, we have seen Vayavaraj that what the mad person do. Sometimes he laughs, sometimes he cries, sometimes he says something. We can understand that. We have seen in 2 days that mad person's bhav, but somebody gets the love is manifesting in somebody's heart. So he behave like that mad person. Just like the Krishna's Leelas is manifested in the heart of sometimes meeting Leela, sometimes separation Leela. When Leela, the meeting Leela is manifested, so they laugh. And when the meeting separation leelas manifested, they cry. When Krishna disappeared from the Rash, so how gopis were doing the kirtan and crying. So in the same way, sadhak, he who has developed the prem in their heart, so what they do, they cry very loudly after remembering these leelas. That's why it is a Vasudev. And what the people are saying to him, just like sometimes Pavel used to put on the clothes, sometimes they take off the clothes. He doesn't bother because they don't have the Dehe Shuddha. They don't have the consciousness for that body. We have a consciousness like in the body, that I'm male, I am female. But when the manifested love is manifested in the heart, so we sadhak doesn't have any kinds of connection with this body. But still, what Yogmaya do? Yogmaya take care of that sadhak. For the love and affection for Krishna, Yogmaya, they put on the beautiful clothes just for the Krishna's love. Are you getting? Yogmaya arranged this leela that the sadhak, because sadhak doesn't have the consciousness in body. But what happens? Yogmaya is arranging everything. So they're putting all the cloths just for Krishna's preeti. Yogmaya is arranging this. They don't have the body conscious, but Yogmaya is arranging everything. Getting? In this material world, we have seen the person who is mad. So sometimes he's walking nude, and sometimes he's putting up the clothes. So nobody cares about that. But there is nothing like that. Yogmaya is taking care of that person. So he is under the foundation and the restriction of the society. Yogmaya always take care of that person. Whirlpools, bhavar. There are many kinds in the seas. You have seen there are many kinds of waves comes and downs. So there are many kinds of whirlpools are there. So what their whirlpools do? So they touch to the bank of the ocean and they return back, because there is a limitation of the ocean. In the same way, love has his own limitations. Love always carry their limitations. Just like the ocean, when ocean got the highest form, so at the time what they do, it has broken all the things, and they destroyed everything there, and they flowed everything with that ocean. So in this way, so Gopiyas on Madhasya that time, what Yogmaya do? So Yogmaya perform a leela there also, because everything is arranging by the Yogmaya here in this Prem Leela. This all kinds of description is described by the Rupa Goswami Pad in the Lalit Madhav, in the Granth of Lalit Madhav. He described everything there. If you read the Lalit Madhav Granth, so the tears will come out from your eyes, because they have, there is a condition of love. The separation mode is so much presenting there. There's too much eagerness of the love is there. So there is no one people that who read the Lalit Madhav Granth and he won't cry. Everybody has to cry, because there is a topmost mode of separation is there. Rupa Goswami Pad, two Granths, Lalit Madhav Granth, Vidag Madhav Natak and Lalit Madhav Natak. So in the Lalit Madhav Natak, there is a topmost mode of separations are presenting there. When you read that, you will cry and you will get so much pleasure after reading that. Very nicely described, everything is there, especially separation mode of Radhaji. Rai Ramaran written some Granth Jagannath Vallabh Natak. In this way, in this Granth,
इसे कभी एवं प्रसव नाम कृत्वा जपान रागो की बुद्धि उत्ते हमकी रोरोति रोति गान मारवत विस्पति रूपा चिन्नम सुभद्रान कथांगवानी जन्मानि कर्माणि जमी च लोके नमानि गीतानि तदार्थकानि गायनं माधवत् नृत्यति लोकवाच्य कई बार
Both लोग are similar.
भगवान कहते मधुर लीलाओं कथा
Bhagwan's Madhur Leela Katha, hearing the beautiful pastime of Krishna. So Bhagwan Bhagwan's sweet pastimes, hearing these sweet parts of the Bhagwan, our heart is melted and we got bhav so much. Narad Rishi and many saints, Uttam Mahabhagavat, without playing the veena, so hearing they are kirtaning the Leela's pastimes of Bhagwan. I was reading a Granth. Once Narad Rishi, he was doing a kirtan. He went to a place. What he saw there at that place, everybody is Shvetvarna. Everything is Shvetvarna there, white. Naraji was astonished. How is it possible that it is all white? At that time, Bhagwan Vishnu appeared there, and he said, Narad. Naradji asked that why it is all this white. And Bhagwan said, hey Narad, look at this place beautifully, well. So Naradji saw that at that place all the devotees of Bhagwan has fallen down in the ground and fainted. That's why it is the place name called Shwetadeepa. And then Bhagwan Vishnu, he told to Naradji, hey Narad, there is a more beautiful pastime from Vrindavan, more than beautiful than Vrindavan. That is a separation mode. Leela is Shwetadeep Leela, and I told you a glimpse of that Leela. When the time will come, you will take the darshan of my Navli Leela and you will help me in that Leela. He told this. There is a very beautiful article was there. I was just telling a little bit short story that how Narad Rishi saw that places that all the devotees they are engaged their mind, observe with their mind in the Krishna and doing kirtan and chanting, and all the complexion of the devotees become white. Even the birds, animals and trees, everything was white there. Shvetvarna, white complexion. It's very nice described there. They are doing the kirtan, observe their mind. So that was a glimpse only. Just like Narad Rishi, without the veena, then he was doing the kirtan. Everybody got engaged with him. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is described everything there. I am ending up here because Maharadevi told you something. I will take a 2 minutes time only.
विवाह महानुभाव शक्ति नहीं करी कालिभाग्रसात এই কালি মিলি যদি যেন খণ্ড বিলি কর্পূর মিলনে রসাক্ষর রসায় অপূর্ব আস্বাদনে
How beautiful. Wow, beautiful. Hari Bol. So Mahaprabhu himself, he was describing Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is describing. So Mahaprabhu, who is Mahaprabhu? He is Radhaji himself. So the Rasmadhuri Katha, especially the Braj Leela, Braj Katha is describing here. Vancha kaltruva sandra patita namba vino vaishnavibhyo namo namo. Lord Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Thank you, listeners, for tolerating me. Please forgive my offenses. If I commit any offenses, then forgive me. Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam.